Wow, I can't believe it. It is up over 1%. It closed at 72.51. But you can see here it gapped down once again. I don't know why it keeps gapping down. But luckily, we had buyers step in and brought the stock all the way to 73.24 before pulling back to where it's closed at 72.51. Again, I would not get our hopes up because we don't know if this is the bottom. We have seen time and time again where there's one green day and the rest are red days. And also, next week, Alibaba has ex dividend dates, which is December 20th. Alibaba shareholders who own Baba stock before this date will receive Alibaba's next dividend payments of $1 per share on January 18, 2024. What I think is people will buy the shares and sell it after ex dividend dates. I want to see how Alibaba reacts after ex dividend dates. Are people going to sell their shares once this ex dividend date pass? But we'll have to find out. That's why do not get your hopes up just because it's green. The entire market has been rallying for the last 3 months. And what have these Chinese stocks been doing? They've been making 52-week low. Just imagine the market sells off. It's going to drag Alibaba, Baidu, JD down with it. And we cannot, again, compare Alibaba to Meta because they are analyzed differently. I get that Meta was once $80, just like how Alibaba is trading at right now. They can be analyzed differently because Meta is a US stock, Alibaba is a Chinese stock. If it was a US stock, Alibaba would be trading over $100, not at 72. There's too much political risk with these Chinese stocks, unfortunately. It doesn't matter how undervalued, how cheap, how oversold it is, Alibaba will trade how it usually trades, which is gapping down every single day. So you can take a look at the news here. What's going on with Alibaba stock? Alibaba is trading higher Thursday amid reports of the company further investing $634 million in its Singapore based e commerce subsidiary. So that's good news. And then we had a lot of people buying call options. I realized the only way to make money on these calls, especially with Alibaba, is to day trade. You can see that once it gapped down this morning, the value of the options dropped massively and then they were pumped up. So the best way is to buy options right at market open and sell it at the end of the day. You can see people have been buying calls. 17,000 volume traded for the 73 set, 20,000 for the 75. So people are expecting this stock to go to 75. I don't know. That's tough. And then next month, we have a huge volume for the 75 strike, 18,000 volume traded, and 35,000 open interest. I've lost a great amount of money on these calls, buying calls every single week. And every single week, every single Friday, they become worthless. If Alibaba keeps gapping down, we'll most likely see $50, then 80 in the near future. Something has to change. The sentiment has to change. And right now, I don't know what that's going to be. Also, the overall market is extremely overbought. So if that sells off, like I said, it's going to drag Alibaba with it. Let me know your thoughts. Did you buy Alibaba shares today or did you already get rid of this junk? And thanks for watching.